cutting rebar, you have two methods. One is the trusty rebar cutter. Also, it will cut and bend 10 and 15 M. Another great rebar cutter is a brushless angle grinder for small little cuts that you have to do to trim up if you have a window buck and a bar in the way. Another one is a quick saw with an abrasive blade on it. If you got to do multiple cuts and you got to cut 10 pieces at a time, this is another great way to go. But the simplest, most trusty is the rebar cutter bender. You put your 10 M here or 15 M here. Anybody can do this, it's quiet. You can take it and put it here. You don't have to do a bend. You have to get some 90s made for some corners or for some hairpin dowels for a garage or grade beam. This is definitely a great solution. It's a little heavy, takes up some room in the trailer, but worthwhile investment if you're going to be cutting and bending rebar on site. We tend to get most of ours prefabricated and sent on site from our supplier, but still a nice tool to have. Talking about rebar, we're at a last course. We're putting in the top course of rebar. Your drawings may be different than ours. We're doing 115 M horizontal on the inside. We also have vertical rebar that go in. This is a 15 M we're going to put in our outside corners, which is what was spec'd in our drawings. Yours may be different. And then we're going to do 10 M every 16 on center, vertical all across the whole foundation. So there is a pattern. Your horizontal rebar alternates between the inside and outside of the inside, so that this vertical can go in between. As long as you turn it, it'll go down. That's seated nicely. See the pressure between that bar down there and the bar up here? It's holding it in place, and that's what we're looking for when we go horizontally around the entire foundation for a vertical rebar. And this will have to push down, but a good tip is to turn it and push, and then it sits down. Up close to our web, you need at least 2 inches of rebar coverage with your concrete. I'm going to put it on the outside of this web, tie it to here and to here.